If you're looking for information on the KingSumo Lifetime Deal and review, you've come to the right place. The KingSumo Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the KingSumo Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Grow your email list through viral giveaways. Grow your audience with viral giveaways that cut marketing costs. Lifetime access to KingSumo. Embed on any website, including WordPress, Squarespace, and more. Upload your own logo. Translation options to translate your giveaway page. Integrations with SendFox, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Klaviyo, Zapier, and API. Export your giveaway entrance into a CSV. Automatic mid-giveaway and final 24-hour emails to your entrants to get them to share more with their friends. Bonus giveaway entries for taking specific actions. Easy promotion checklist to promote your giveaway for maximum effectiveness. Automatically pick random winners. Built-in advanced spam and fraud prevention methods to reduce bots and fake entries to your giveaway. KingSumo helps you run viral giveaways to drive leads, reward brand engagement, and grow your audience. With an intuitive editor, you can set up unlimited giveaways in minutes, offering physical and virtual goods as prizes. Entrants can share the giveaways for bonus entries, and you can define custom actions to drive more leads. You can embed giveaways anywhere using a simple widget code and track detailed analytics on conversion rates and traffic sources. KingSumo is GDPR compliant and supports over 20 languages. With automatic reminders, you can nudge entrants to participate. With KingSumo, you can generate quality leads and grow your audience quickly. Get lifetime access now. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to KingSumo today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.